Just like us, plants need healthy food to keep up their strength. Fertiliser is a product that you can add to the soil to top up nutrients that would be naturally replenished in the wild by decomposing stuff. All indoor plants use up nutrients at different rates and at different times of the year, so check your plant's product page on the Patch website to find out if it would benefit from being fertilised in the spring and summer. Another way to restore your plant's nutrients is by repotting it with a fresh batch of soil. You're unlikely to have to do this for a year or two, but if it has been living in the same soil for a long time and is looking unhealthy, repotting it could help. You won't need to feed it for a few weeks after repotting a new compost, but check the compost packet on information on how long its nutrients will last. Most patch plants live happily in multi-purpose soil, except for cacti and succulents, which benefit from cacti and succulent compost. In our next lesson, we'll be talking about whether you should trim or prune your plant.